this was a win. Marauders, welcome back to the channel for the first snow blow of my driveway in the winter of 2020-2021. I hope you like this video, share this video with a friend, and certainly subscribe. Thank you for coming back to the channel. I hope you enjoy the video. So I have this impressive tractor to clean the snow from my driveway, but I still like to shovel my stoop steps area in front of my garage doors and my main entrance front door by hand. It's great exercise, and it also gives the tractor a couple minutes for the engine to come up to operating temperature and for the cab to heat up. Okay, so the drone is up high enough where I don't think I will hit it. The tractor is in mid-transmission range. It has low and high also. I'm not using low and high. I think the drone's up high enough where I'm not going to hit it. No, I don't think I'll hit the drone with the snow. Let's rev this thing up. People want to see it. It's interesting how viewers want to see this thing really blow snow, so I'll run it at 2,500 RPM. That's a little higher. So there's maybe 3 or 4 inches on the ground, not a lot of snow for our area, and you know, it's been a tradition of the channel that I show the first snow blow, and I wanted to show it. And also, frankly, snow, it's a good test of you know, the work I've done on the snowblower. Let's put it to the test on a light snow and see how she performs. Active track is working very well. Shoots in right at the snowblower. Change that shoe. So while you're watching the video, I have a vibration that I hope's not a bearing that you can hear in the background of the tractor, and it definitely changes pitch and tone with the RPMs of the tractor. I have to explore where that's coming from. Number two, please notice the stance of the tractor. The wheel spacing definitely has a better stance with the wheels flipped to one side where they have they're wider on the front. Previously it looked more like a tractor at a tractor pull, wide rear tires with narrow front tires. Definitely like this stance better. I'm using a DJI Mavic Pro 2 Zoom drone to do this video, and the last time I used it when I was snowblowing, I crashed it into the house. The batteries normally would last on a flight maybe up to 40 minutes on a sunny day. They're not fully charged. I wasn't prepared to do a video this morning, didn't think we'd have enough snow, and it took me 4 batteries to do this video. Should have been only 1 battery, so I apologize for the beeping. Not to drag this out, but look at the nice width on the front tires. To me, it almost looks like an entirely different tractor, and it was no issue snow blowing. The front tires are almost as wide as the front blower. You know, my rear tires are 3 inches wider than the 59-inch front snow blower, and it just performed extremely well today. I remembered also some years I forget to put my strobe on, mounted on the tractor, and I had this tractor ready to go. The strobe is mounted. The transmission fluid was changed earlier in the year. I have to post a video on doing that. That was a messy job, but I think the viewers, I think you'd like to see it. I think you can learn from my mistakes, and I'm happy to share that with you. I don't think I've been researching a John Deere 4 Series that I would have to use a pusher blade on it to do my driveway, and I just don't think it can do as neat a job as this tractor does with a snow blower. And remember, I'm flying a drone and filming while I'm doing this. I'm a lot smoother when I'm not flying a drone. The noise of the blade on the snowblower hitting the lip of the curb as I go onto my driveway. I usually take it at an angle so you don't hear that. I hope you can hear the vibration noise that as the snowblower is running. The U-joints are greased, the auger bearings are replaced. I don't know if that's a bearing within the snowblower mechanism or a rattling of the mount pins for the snowblower. It's going to drive me crazy. I have to figure that out. Please comment if you think you know where that rattling or that noise is coming from. I don't know if the drive for the impeller and the auger are chain driven. That could be the gears on the chain, the sprockets on the chain wearing and some slack and they're rattling. I don't know. I am probably going to call my dealer and ask their service department if they have any idea where it's coming from. Please comment. Also, I can't remember if it's just a normal noise from operating the blower. You know, this tractor didn't feel right when I was using it this morning to do the driveway. And remember, it's the first snow blowing of the season. And just, rushing to get this done before work. I got a camera inside, a drone in the air. The tractor just didn't feel right when I was operating it. And I discovered towards the end that it was not in mid-range. I have low, mid, and high ranges on the transmission. It was in high range, and it did not feel right operating. It was jerking. So don't snow blow your driveway in high range. This was a different experience for me. The previous 2 years I've been showing the first snow blow of my driveway, and I was somewhat prepared because I knew we were going to get significant snow. And we really were not forecasted to get a lot of snow, and we didn't, but it was enough to snow blow. The plows were out. You look at my neighbor's driveway, it's plowed. So I somewhat wasn't prepared. I focused on getting the tractor prepared, but we were supposed to get maybe an inch of snow, and I maybe would not have cleaned that up, and we didn't. We got probably 4 or 5 inches of snow. Not that that's a lot, but I thought it was enough to do a video, and it was a good test to see how my snowblower auger bearing repair, how that held up. And I'll check the bolts once I get it in the garage, maybe let it thaw out and check them tonight, see how everything is. So that's it. Marauders, welcome back to the channel. We have our first snow blowing video of the year in the books. Got that done. A little late for work. I'm going to back this tractor in the garage, and let's respect each other. The election's over. Man, am I glad it's over. We have to move on, keep looking forward to the future and better times ahead, and I hope to see you on the trail. Thank you, and God bless.